Welcome back. Uh, Shout out to the husband for helping me put that bookcase together. Couldn't have done it without him. So, for my birthday, I asked for this chair, which is so comfortable, and a bookcase, and he delivered. So I am just setting up my little cozy little space in here, somewhere where I can just hang out and game and read and diamond paint. It's just right here on this chair. And so therefore I also want a couple physical books. I think I told y'all that it wasn't vlogs. And so I ordered some from Book Outlet, and I kind of wanted to show y'all what I ordered. This is the first one, Somebody's Husband by Robbie Renee. I read Summer's Echo by Robbie Renee, and it was very good. I just heard this is a series and this is book 2. So I need to go get book 1, Somebody's Wife, before I move on to book 2. But yeah, that's what I ordered. Or this one, I ordered the Viola Davis biography, Finding Me, because who doesn't love Viola Davis? I ordered the classic Marilyn Monroe, because, you know what she's giving. This is one of the classics God Don't Like Ugly. Also ordered Kennedy Ryan, Be Mine Forever. This is a series. I read the first 2. This is the 3rd in the series of the Be Mine series. So. And then last but not least, I ordered Brittany's Cherries, The Fire Between High and Low. And as you know, I've been reading Brittany Cherry a lot. She has some good reads. And so I heard this one was pretty good as well. So thank you all for the support. Thanks for rocking with me. Let me show y'all my new pets. So after a long day of running errands, I decided it was time to diamond paint. This is one of the things that I can do to wind down in the evening, and it was so relaxing. All right, so that's gonna do it for this weekend, y'all. As y'all see, diamond painting takes a lot of patience. Drop it in the comments if you think you have the patience to complete a diamond painting. Please like, comment, subscribe. Help your girl. Until next time, y'all stay safe.